Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, The DIY Man. Today I'm going to show you a delicious dish of rabbit curry. It is an easy and quick method. Follow me. Let's get cooking. The spices for the curry include 1.5 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, some curry leaves, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 or 2 anise. 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes and 500 grams of rabbit meat cut into curry pieces. What are the advantages of rabbit meat? Rabbit meat is categorized under white meat, thus contributes to a stable intake of vitamins and minerals for a daily dietary requirement. It's an excellent source of vitamins B3 and B12. It is a balance of fatty acids, typically omega-3, than any other meat. It's rich in protein and it has an extremely low percentage of fats, which makes it one of the best types of meat for dieting and muscle building. The calories in rabbit meat are low, as a serving of rabbit meat contains far less calories than the same size portion of beef and a portion of lamb. More to the advantageous side, it is one of the few meat which boosts the brain, reduces the risk of cancer, acts as a natural painkiller, and it increases immunity. Back to the cooking. I then add 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I add all the raw spices, curry leaves, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, anise and mustard seeds. I let them cook in the oil for about a minute. Then I add the onions. I let the onions fry with the raw spices until the color changes to a slight brownish color. I add the tomatoes to the onions and raw spices and let that cook together till the tomatoes have almost melted. It should currently look like a bland tomato and onion chutney. Once you have reached this point, you add in your ginger and garlic paste and mix it. You then immediately add your salt. You should let this cook for another 30 seconds. Once you're done, you will start adding your powdered spices 2 at a time. You will start by adding chili powder and garam masala. Mix well at this point. You then add your turmeric and coriander powder and stir thoroughly. If you notice that the spices have started to stick to the bottom of the pot, you can add a little bit of water. Allow the spices, onions and tomatoes to blend together under the flame for about a minute. Then follow by adding the meat to the chutney. Mix the meat well into the rest of the ingredients in the pot and let the meat fry for a minute in an open pot. This allows the spices to blend into the meat thoroughly. Once you have allowed the meat and the spices to blend, add water to just above the level of meat. Mix well and close the pot lid to allow the curry to reach a boiling point in order to let the meat cook thoroughly. Let it cook for 10 minutes. The total cooking time for the dish is 20 minutes. Once the meat has been cooked, allow the gravy to thicken and the curry is ready to be served. It's time to try this out, guys. It's very tasty. The taste is guaranteed, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more videos. Until then, goodbye.